So we're gonna do something I believe you've had it before. It's like my my Bajan cucumber salad. It's a very simple dish. It's just cucumbers and usually Scotch bonnets, but we have habaneros, so they'll do the job.
Yum.
Lemon juice, lime juice.
Okay, chef, I'm ready.
Let's peel these bad boys.
I can do that.
Okay.
Okay, so what do I do next?
I'm gonna cut this because I have a high tolerance for heat.
I'm staying away from that one. I did just cut my fingernails.
So we're gonna
Right.
juice a whole lemon, and we're gonna use a half of a lime, and then you're gonna zest half of this lemon.
Is this enough?
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay,
You can just-
in there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so pretty. Can I taste?
Yeah, just it's not gonna be as it needs to marinate a little bit. I'll let that do its thing. I'm gonna check on our tagine. There we go,
That looks
gorgeous,
amazing.
right? So, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take our chicken babies out. So we're gonna use the spicier smoke because I think it complements this dish really well, and we wanna add a bit more turmeric, but we're adding now some pickled turmeric. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Just kind of stir it in there.
You can even see it making the color a little bit richer, right?
Yeah. And now we're gonna add a bit more of our herbs that we used earlier. Some fresh cilantro. Just gonna add a couple pieces of parsley. Just gonna chop it up because this is a heartier herb. All right, so here we go. We got our gravy. And we're not doing couscous, we're doing rice because, I'm a Caribbean person. So I'm just gonna leave that plating up to you.
How's this, chef? Good amount?
Oh, that's
I know we
gorgeous.
both like our rice, but
Yeah.
I'll leave a little room for chicken.
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh.
I do crazy things to snag an invite when I know Andre's cooking.
Now we're gonna have our cucumber salad on the side. It's nice to have a crunch too. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
So happy to be here.
Cheers.
Cheers. Get a little rice first.
That's delicious. It's really bright.
Oh my god, there's so much flavor in there. The hot sauce, you taste it everywhere. There's just so much going on in that sauce, and I think when you cook it, even just for a minute, it kind of lights up. Because I tasted that sauce before you put it in. It tastes completely different.
See? There we go. Drag performance in a plate.
It's so good.